Hello, my friends. How are you? I hope you're doing well. So, today, grammar for writing, chapter 6, page 115. Okay, so we're going to talk about using complete sentences. This will help you to write a good sentence and will also with your essays to avoid mistakes and if you want to edit to someone like your friend's essay or something, you can tell him this is wrong or this is right, and you can explain this is interrogative sentence or imperative sentence, or this is declarative sentence. Okay, well, so I'm gonna just tell you that we have four kind of sentences, and I'm gonna explain it to you with an example so you can learn more. Also, I'm gonna just give you about run-on sentence and how you can correct run-on sentences. Okay, so here, using complete sentences. First, what is the meaning of a sentence? A sentence is a grammatically complete group of words that expresses a thought. Okay, so this is what we mean with a sentence. And here, do not judge whether a sentence is grammatically correct by its length. Okay, a short sentence may be as a complete sentence as a long one. So if you think that the long sentence is really good and grammatically correct and very strong, I think you might be wrong. Okay, and if you think that a short sentence is I don't know, useless, it's not interesting, or dull or something, also you might be wrong. Okay, because a short sentence could have a lot of meanings, and it could be strong as a long sentence. Okay, and a long one, if it was correct, grammatically correct, yeah, it's gonna be good long sentence. Okay, so here we have two sentences. The first one is a question, and the second one is like a kind of answer. Okay, so here we have, first of all, you should pay attention that if you want to write a sentence, you should start with a capital letter. If it was a question, you should use a the perfect punctuation mark for your sentence. Okay, maybe you're gonna use a comma, maybe period, maybe exclamation point mark, sorry, so okay, or semicolon or whatever. Okay, here, what makes both of these sentences grammatically correct? Here, first, they begin with a capital letter. He did with D, the capital letter, and here the capital T, and end with a punctuation mark, a period, a question mark. So here we have a question mark. So this is we can know this is an interrogative sentence, okay, or exclamation point. In addition, all complete sentences do the following two things. First, so all complete sentences follow these two things. First, name the person, animal, thing, or state of being that the sentence is about, and here tell what the person, animal, thing, or state of being does or is. Okay, so again, all complete sentences follow these two let's say rules, or yes, two things. Here, a sentence has one of four purposes. Okay, we have four, let's say, purposes or four kinds. Okay, first of all, we have declarative sentences, makes a statement and it ends with period. Okay, so here sentences make a statement, and here we have period. It rained the day the president visited. Okay, and here we have imperative sentences. This is this is give a command or a request, or make a request. Okay, and imperative sentences usually end with a period, sometimes with an exclamation point. Okay, here line up in front of the entrance, no talking, or do this, or it's a request, describe something please. Okay, do homework, etc., etc. Here we have interrogative sentences. Here ask a question and end with a question mark. Okay, so here this is a question. Did you notice the first lady's red, white, and blue suits? Okay, so here this is a question. Did you eat your breakfast, or did you have your coffee or something? Okay, so this is a question and end with a question mark. Okay, here we have the last purpose or the last kind exclamatory sentences. Here shows strong feelings, okay, or expresses strong feelings, okay. So and ends with an exclamation point, like wow, his speech really impressed me, okay, or something like that. Okay, so we have wow, oh really, oh no, okay, or aha. So we have this we have exclamation points, okay, and again express a strong feeling, okay. And here I'm gonna show you this. A group of words may begin with a capital letter and conclude with end punctuation, but those words may not express a complete thought, okay. So they could be a fragment. A sentence fragment is a group of words that is not grammatically complete. Avoid sentence fragments when you write, okay, because you're gonna make a really huge mistake when you write sentence fragment, because this is wrong if you want to write let's say a good essay, okay. Here, so we have this fragment one because the president talked about education. Oh, okay, so what? This doesn't tell what happened. So we need information, we need things. So because the president talked about education, so what? What happened next, or before, or after, or whatever? Okay, so here students listened because the president talked about education. Okay, so now we have a complete action. Okay, and here we have another fragment, spoke out on issues concerning education. So again, this doesn't identify who the speaker is. So who talked about issues, who talked about education issues or education problems, okay. So here we have this sentence, the correct one. The president, do not forget the comma, who spoke out on issue concerning education, received a standing ovations, okay. So here now we have a complete sentence, okay. Again, the first one, spoke out on issue concerning education. We don't know anything about this one, okay. So what? We have problem, education problem, or what? Okay, so this is how to avoid sentence fragments, and will teach you how to write a good sentence, so you can make your essay stronger, make it interesting, not dull, and try to avoid mistakes, okay, if you want to impress your readers, your teachers, etc. And here we have exercise number 1, identifying sentence fragments. So please, we have here 10 sentences. I want you guys to answer this exercise and just send it to me. It's page 116. Okay, so that's it actually for today. If you have any question, please do not hesitate, just ask me, okay. And that's it. And here I just want to show you, I'm sorry, at the end, here we have writing hints. So occasionally fragments can be used in informal writing over effect. When you write what people say in a dialogue, or when you write an advertisement, you might use fragments. So it's not like you can avoid it 100%, but sometimes if you want to write an advertisement or a dialogue, this is acceptable, okay. But if you just write it in your essay, especially if it was academic essay, this is completely wrong, Okay, so that's it. This is what I wanted to actually to show. And again, if you have any questions, just ask. Go ahead and ask me. Do not hesitate. Okay, and please answer exercise number 1 and send it to me. Thank you. Thank you for watching. Have a great day.